What's up, guys? So today we're gonna make a lemon drop, margarita, and an old fashioned. See, I already rimmed my glass from a lemon drop with the sugar around the rim and a lemon wheel. I'll start off with 2 ounces of vodka, an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of triple set, 3/4 of lemon juice, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get that ice in the shaker. Mix all that up. And shake it, 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 shake it up real good. Yep. I didn't have a strainer, so I did a magic trick. Plow. Lemon drop it. Ta-da. Alright. There's your lemon drop. Eat it up, ladies. Alright, next we got that margarita. Already got my glass rimmed with salt and the lime wheel. Gonna do 2 ounces of tequila, 8 count, 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, 1 ounce of triple set, 2 ounces of margarita mix, and 1 ounce of lime juice. And you're gonna shake it, 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 shake it. Once again, I didn't have a strainer, so I did a magic trick. Bam, man, it's perfect. So perfect. Alright, here's your margarita. Next is the old fashioned. Okay, get your bitters. Get about 3 dashes of your bitters. Alright, get a little teaspoon of sugar. Orange peel. Put that in there. Get a little cherry. And a little cherry juice. Yeah. Muddle that up. Get your muddler and your muddle sucker. Muddle sucker. Muddle. And you get your ice. Yep, that's right. You get your rye whiskey. 2 ounces. 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 ounces of rye whiskey. And you're gonna stir that puppy up. Old fashioned. Here you go. Old fashioned margarita lemon drop. Lemon drop margarita old fashioned. Let me know what y'all want me to make next. Or if you know a better way. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buddy. Goodbye, buddies.